Hello friends, welcome to Audiobook YT Library, where we summarize the world's most inspiring and like books for you in an easy-to-understand way, so you can learn, grow, and bring positive change into your life. Today, we're talking about a book that can completely transform your social and professional life. How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes. This book teaches you how to win people's hearts when you talk to them, whether it's in a business meeting, a party, or just an everyday conversation. Leil Lowndes has divided this book into 9 parts, containing 92 simple yet powerful techniques that can help you connect with anyone easily. Let's explore these parts briefly.
Key to a powerful first impression isn't just what you say, it's everything else. It's the confidence you project before you even speak.
Part 1. First impression, without saying a word. This part explains that your first 10 seconds decide how people perceive you. Your smile, posture, and eye contact matter the most. The flooding smile technique teaches you to smile slowly and warmly, so it looks genuine. Methods like sticky eyes and hang by your teeth make you appear confident and trustworthy.
Besides work, what have you two been up to lately?
I actually just started learning guitar.
Oh, nice. I've been meaning to get back into photography.
Part 2. Small talk. What to say after hi. This section shows how small talk builds big connections. If you ever feel awkward starting a conversation, this part is for you. It teaches you to talk about the other person's interests, ask open-ended questions, and always keep a positive tone.
In this session, part 3, we're discussing how being truly thoughtful allows you to talk like a VIP.
Part 3. Talk like a VIP. Leil explains that confident and successful people speak in a calm, thoughtful manner. Every word they use carries value. She teaches you to avoid showing off, listen actively, and choose your words carefully. Be a you firstie, meaning always consider others' feelings first.
To truly succeed, you need more than just one skill. You need a little knowledge of every field.
Part 4. Be an insider anywhere. Here, the author explains how to fit in anywhere. Whether you're at a professional conference or a casual gathering, stay updated with conversation topics, current trends, and general knowledge. A little awareness about different fields makes you an all-rounder communicator.
So you enjoy photography and music as well.
I do, and I'm always looking for a good coffee shop to discuss new ideas.
Part 5. Build similarity and connection. People like people who are like them. If you want others to like you, mirror their tone, energy, and expressions. Empathy and understanding are the keys to genuine connection.
I love how confident you look today.
Thank you, I feel great.
Part 6. Praise without flattery. Giving compliments is an art. Leil says, flattery sounds fake, but genuine praise wins hearts. For example, instead of saying, you look great, say, I love how confident you look today. These small, positive phrases, called itty-bitty boosters, create strong relationships.
I agree completely. We can certainly make that timeline work for everyone involved. That sounds great. It feels good to finally be aligned on this project.
Part 7. Phone communication. On the phone, your tone of voice matters more than anything else. Your energy, warmth, and words define how people feel about you. Smile while talking. It naturally makes your voice sound positive and friendly.
Key to these social events is the entrance. You have to make it graceful.
And remembering names, that's crucial too.
Right, first impressions matter most.
Part 8. Social events and parties. How to shine at parties and gatherings. Make a graceful entrance. Remember people's names and make everyone feel special. This is how you create a lasting impression.
This is unacceptable. Your team completely messed up the projections again. I need this fixed immediately.
I understand, Russian.
Main message of the book. Leil Lowndes gives us one powerful message. Success in life depends not only on what you know, but on how you connect with people. Communication isn't just about words. It's an emotional skill. If you can win people's trust and respect, every door in life opens for you. So friends, this was the summary of How to Talk to Anyone by Leil Lowndes. If you liked this video, Please like, subscribe, and share it on our channel. Audiobook, YT Library. Keep improving your communication skills. And always remember, every great relationship starts with one great conversation. Thank you for listening. Take care, and goodbye.